मिसळा उपरांत येवकार. कर्नाटकांत काँग्रेस राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष राहुल गांधीन केल्ल्या एनसीसी संदर्भातले वाक्य बरेंच वादग्रस्त जालां. ह्या संदर्भात एनसीसीच्या असोसिएट डायरेक्टरेट जयंत जाधव हांणी आपलें मत उक्तायलां. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
आज खरं म्हटल्यार एक उलोवपाची गजाल म्हटल्यार जी स्टेटमेंट आज राहुल गांधी कडल्यान आयल्या की एनसीसी खबर ना. हांव एक एनसीसी कॅडेट, 4 वर्सां हांव आर्मी एनसीसीन आसलो. अनेक कॅम्प केले. एनसीसीन आर्मी अटॅचमेंट आसता, बेसीक लिडरशीप, एडवान्स लिडरशीप, आर्मी अटॅचमेंट कॅम्प असतात, माउंटेनरिंग कॅम्प असता. बेस्ट कॅडेट हांव एक ब्रॉन्झ मेडल विनर बेस्ट कॅडेट ऑल इंडिया लेवल माउंटेनरिंग कॅम्प केल्या. रिपब्लीक डेक आर्मीचो एक प्लटून असता, त्याच्या खातीर सिलेक्शन एकदम टफ असता आणि ते राजपथाचेर जेन्ना मार्च करता ते राष्ट्रपती प्रधानमंत्री ते सॅल्यूट करतात. इतलो रेस्पेक्ट आज आमच्या एनसीसीक आसा. अँड टुडे राहुल गांधी वॉज आस्क्ड वॉट इज द बेनिफीट यू आर गोइंग टू गिव टू एनसीसी सी सर्टिफिकेट होल्डर्स. राहुल गांधी सेज I don't know about NCC, I don't know about its training, I don't know what that stuff is. I would like to say NCC is not a stuff. NCC is a mission. When we had worn that uniform, the respect what we used to give, we used to think of our motherland. The motto of NCC is unity and discipline. You can't say you don't know. You are supposed to be the Prime Minister as you think, and your people feel you will be the next Prime Minister or maybe further. But you can't say you don't know. You can say this. NCC has got 3 wings: Army, Navy, Air Force, where even a girls battalion is there. Where we join NCC, we are there for 4 years. We try, we strive, we take the tough training, and many of us who have passed BNSL certificate have joined the armed forces, Army, Navy, Air Force. NCC cadets who have joined Army have proved to be the best leaders in NCC in the outside field also. Many have laid their lives in Army, Navy and Air Force. It's very shameful. It has pained to me as an NCC cadet who has served in an Army NCC for 4 years. When he says you don't know about NCC, you have demotivated people. But I would like to appeal, NCC is the largest youth organization of our country, where first we learn is unity and discipline, which is most required for our country. So I request, next time before making any statement, you should know about it.